So guys, here comes the USDJPY. Now we would want to predict where this price will be moving for the next day, which is about 31st, right? Or on Monday. We'd want to see where this price will be moving on Monday. First of all, before we get started, if you've not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, and also make your comment. I love to watch out for it. So the weekly time frame, we'll start from the weekly time frame, quick analysis on it. What is the trend? This is a bullish move. You clearly can see that this USDJPY is an uptrend move. Now take a look at this movement that was being made. We see higher highs. Here is the higher lows, right, on USDJPY. This is the higher highs, and now this is the higher lows on USDJPY. You can see that this price was kind of higher highs here. Price kind of range here. You all know that once an higher highs is made, higher lows will be made, higher highs again will be made. If higher lows is not being made, if we don't get that higher lows, we kind of see that ranging market move. Price will kind of range, right? Then it will continue its uptrend move. So we kind of see this ranging market move here, which is more visible on the daily time frame, though we would go to the daily time frame later, soon or very soon. So you can kind of see it. You can, if you can take it as a pullback if you want, though. So price kind of range within this area, and once price range, we saw a breakout, right? Of course, we need a pullback to be made. So this is why we've had this pullback, right? So what next do we expect on our USDJPY? We expect a bullish move to be made. So this is exactly what we'll be having on USDJPY on the weekly time frame. Last week we actually closed bearish. The week that just passed, we actually closed bearish. So this week we are predicting for we would actually close bullish, right? But that is above all. This USDJPY for price to be able to predict this movement on our USDJPY, right? We would want to for the next day, which is on the 31st. I would now want us to actually go down to this daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame we are all talking about. We saw once price range within this area. So if we are following this channel consistently, we will see how we will actually range within this area. We will see that price, kind of roll up to this level, which is the highs. We saw it drop down to this level, which is the low. We can take the highs as the resistance and the low as the support. Then we saw it came to this our resistance and now drop to our support. Then we saw it get to our resistance, and guess what? It broke above the resistance level. Now we all know the rules of trading, right? Ranging, and if price is ranging, we see that once price is ranging, right, and it breaks out of the resistance level, definitely price must give us a pullback to test that resistance level. So now that this price has broken above it, we see that this price has now given us a pullback to test this resistance level. So what movement do we expect to be made on the SDJY? Of course, we are expecting another bullish move. So this is why this Friday we kind of had like a bullish move, right, on our USDJPY. So we kind of close bullish. So this Monday that I'm predicting for, I strongly believe we'll actually close bullish. By that time, we should see our price should have broken above our 10 period moving average. So we're expecting, I think on this Friday that just passed, we have actually made about 130 pips bullish move was made, right? So this week we still expect bullish move. Let's say maybe probably 100 pips bullish move. So it depends on it. So USDJPY on this our daily time frame, we will be expecting a bullish move, right? So now let's take a look at this JPY index though. So I mean JPY index shows all our JPY peers. So let's take a look at this JPY index, the full trend, right? This is a bearish move, right? So this is a JPY index has been giving us a bearish move, right? And you can see, let's start this movement from here. You can see this bearish move, impulse move downward, right? Here comes the correction on JPY index. Here is another impulse move, right? Of course, we expect a correction which was made here. You notice that once price dropped to this level, we had a pullback, right? Price now dropped, broke below, and it came back to this same level. This is example of a bearish move. This is a trend move. So after this trend move, then we expect another bearish move that we actually eventually break this previous lower low. So this is the previous lower low. So we had the pullback up. So this new lower lows we are expecting, we should expect it to actually break this lows, right? But before that, right? That is, that's what on the weekly time frame though. We would want to predict what the price of the movie for the next day. So by next day, we should be expecting a bearish move on JPY index. like this price should actually give us that bearish move. It should actually open and close bearish. So see an indication that once this JPY actually close bearish, right, close red, then any other pairs we actually to our JPY should give us that bullish move. So one of the reasons why I also said since we've actually start, we are now making a bullish move. So once our JPY index kind of close red, we should also expect a green on our USD to our JPY. So we should expect our USD to JPY to open and also close green. So watch out for it on USDJPY 31st. We still expect a bullish move. And now let's see what this 4 hour time frame says by the way. So maybe you can take here as a movement upward, right? We take here as the correction. We will take here as the movement upward. Maybe once the correction has been made, a little bit of a correction. Let's see if a correction will come to tap our 10 period moving average. If it will, who knows if it will not. So maybe a little bit of a correction. Then you can now enter to go long on USDJPY. So above all, we are expecting a bullish move on USDJPY anytime soon.